Welcome back, folks. Today, we have something truly special for all you fitness enthusiasts out there. If you've been on the hunt for the ultimate back stretching mat, look no further because we've got the perfect solution for you. Introducing the Retrospec Solana Yoga Mat, a game changer in the world of yoga and fitness mats. This isn't just any ordinary mat. It's the best back stretching mat available in the market. Let's dive into what makes this mat so exceptional. First off, let's talk about comfort and balance. The Solana mat boasts an impressive 1-inch thickness, providing unparalleled support for your back and joints. Say goodbye to discomfort during your stretching sessions. But wait, there's more. Ever struggled with slipping and sliding during your workouts? Not anymore. The Solana mat features a non-slip grip, keeping you steady and secure on the floor, no matter how intense your routine gets. And here's the best part: durability and portability. Whether you're practicing yoga at home or hitting the studio for a session, the Solana mat is your perfect companion. Its thick, durable material ensures long-lasting use, while the included nylon carrying strap makes transportation a breeze. Now, let's talk about safety. The Solana mat is free of harsh chemicals like phthalate, heavy metals, and latex, ensuring a worry-free workout experience. And cleaning? Piece of cake. Just use a mix of gentle soap and water, wipe clean, and hang it to dry. Easy peasy. But don't just take our word for it. Listen to what customers have to say. With over 7,000 ratings and an impressive 4.6-star average, it's clear that people are loving their Solana mats. From comfort and thickness to quality and versatility, the praise is pouring in. So, there you have it, folks, the Retrospec Solana Yoga Mat, the best back stretching mat on the market. Whether you're a seasoned yogi or just starting your fitness journey, this mat has got you covered. Don't wait any longer. Elevate your workouts with the Solana mat today. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay fit, stay healthy, and keep stretching.